how to draw super easy village scenery with a boy who is flying a red kite in beautiful sunset sky. Let's start it. Draw the boys and the other objects of village scenery by following my steps with 2B or HB pencil. But you can see I have drawn the whole with marker. But I always suggest you to draw with pencil for if you think you have to erase on some point. Please don't forget to try this easy colorful landscape while you are at home. As well as don't forget to ask me without hesitation in the comment below if you have any kind of question about this. Now let's coloring. Draw the flowers with pink and light pink. Draw the super orangey sunset sky with orange, yellow and light yellow. Don't forget to match them as well as you can, cause blending your colors will make your drawing super shiny and attractive. Then draw the land with green, grass green and yellow green. And the other with blue green and green. Happy green family! Then draw the village road with vindiki brown and pale orange. Don't forget to blend properly as you can. I said again. Draw the houses with brown, yellow ochre and vindiki brown. The bush of tree with same difference. If you feel any kind of difficulty, then don't forget to ask me on the comment below. Then draw the boy's robes with purple and lavender. His pants with blue and sky blue. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorial. Then use vindiki brown and pale orange as his skin tone. Then the red kite and then outline. Draw the whole village scenery with a black outliner again. And yay, our drawing is complete. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel to watch the previous. Click on the I button. See you in the next video. Ta-da!